Paper, scissors and magic in here with a new custom. And today we are gonna turn Pinkie Pie into Huggy Wuggy from Poppy's Playtime. This figure has a secret, but we will talk about it a bit later. And now we should cut the hair as short as possible, like this. I'm gonna paint all her body blue, and I'm not trying to be very neat, just going over. This layer is our base and it'll be covered later. I'm covering the hoofs white, but we don't need them white, it's just easier to put yellow on white than on dark blue. And again, we are not trying to make very nice and smooth layers, just a bit of yellow, that's it. We have to change the shape of her head. I do it with very cheap air dry clay. And when it dries out, I'm covering the same blue paint I already used for the body and head. I'm sure you already noticed that this pony has 2 pairs of eyes. And we can change her look by pressing the button. So I'm painting the eyes in different styles and we will have this amazing surprise effect. Now I'm painting the mouth area black. Again, it's just a basic layer. And we are done with the painting part. I've been trying to figure out how to imitate fur on my Huggy Wuggy, and the best idea I came out with was 3D pen. I'm covering all the surface with blue plastic, avoiding the eyes and the mouth area and also the hoofs. Then I'm working with hoofs using yellow. And this is what we have here. To make it look more alive, I'm painting very slightish light blue layer with a dry brush, not too much, just to get some volume. And I'm using darker yellow for the hoofs. Look, it still works! Let's make our Huggy Wuggy creepy! I'm painting long, sharp teeth with white. And I'm making a long, thin caterpillar using red air dry clay. Then, very carefully, I'm attaching it to the mouth. And adding some final touches. With a bit of light blue air dry clay, I'm shaping a bow. And then I'm adding some shades with darker blue paint. This is it! We made Huggy Wuggy! And I'm pretty much satisfied with the result. Hope you like it too! Thank you for watching, guys, and I would love to know what custom you want me to make. See you with a new custom! Bye bye!